Hello friends, welcome back to Endo Tales from Life. In this video, let me teach you how to make your own endo suction. So we all know the delivery of irrigant is important, but at the same time, it's also equally important to know how to evacuate the old irrigant from the root canal. So we don't need any expensive endo suction. We can just see how it is done with a simple armamentarium that's easily available in your clinic.
Well, all you need is the routinely used macro suction tube that's easily available in all our practice, and this can be easily converted to a micro suction or the endo suction. So what you additionally need is just a unilock syringe and a 23 gauge plastic needle. So I'm very particular about the 23 gauge plastic needle because it's whiteboard syringe needle and it doesn't get clogged easily. So after attaching this 23 gauge needle to the syringe, we remove the piston of the syringe and just attach it to the suction tip, which now can be attached to either the regular suction or the high vacuum suction of your choice. During the initial irrigation, we have to deal with a lot of macro debris that has to be sucked out of the canal. Using very fine needles can get clogged easily. So in the initial stages of instrumentation, irrigation, retreatments, we use this microsuction with a 23 gauge needle. The needle that I'm using here is easily available from Denmax and few other companies, and it's also very economical. But during the final stages of irrigation, after the instrumentation is completed, you can just change the 23 gauge needle to a 26 or a 27 gauge needle, which allows even deeper evacuation from even the apical third. So this is not an alternate to using paper points for drying, but throughout the procedure, it is very useful to evacuate the old irrigant from the canal and also during the final irrigation to remove almost 90% of the irrigant in the canal so that there is less load on the paper point, and most of the time all you require is 1 or 2 paper points. Hope this video was useful and see you all soon in our next video.